Hello everyone, welcome you all in today's my video. In today's video, I will giving you a complete solution of your class 8 book of New Logman Vistas history chapter 7, that is Revolt of 1857. Okay, so let's start this video with complete solution of this chapter. So first exercise of this chapter is section A. Choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. So first question, Lord Dalhousie's policy of dash was resented by the ruling class because it curbed their rights of adoption. So correct option A, the doctrine of lapse. Second, dash products from England flooded the Indian markets and created unemployment among artisans and craftsmen. So correct option is D, machine made. Third, dash of the 34th regiment fired at his sergeant major and asked his comrades to revolt against the British in defense of their caste and religion. So correct option is A, Mangal Pandey. Question 4. In Awadh, the revolt was bravely led by option B, Begum Hazrat Mahal is correct. 5. The immediate causes of the revolt was the use of dash by the soldiers. So correct option is B, greased cartridges. Okay. Next we will proceed. Section B, match the column. So in column A, first word is Kanpur. So correct match. In column B, C, Nana Saheb. Bareilly, correct match E, Khan Bahadur Khan. Delhi, Bakht Khan. Lucknow, Begum Hazrat Mahal. And Bihar, A, Kunwar Singh is correct match. Okay. Next, C, filling the blanks. So first, there was great resentment among the people because of the annexation of, answer is doctrine of lapse. Spelling is DOCTRINE of LAPSE lapse. Question 2. The attempts by the British to introduce greased cartridges hurt the dash sentiments of the people. So answer is soldiers. Spelling is SOLDIERS, soldiers. Okay. Third, the revolt of 1857 began at Meerut. So spelling is MEERUT, Meerut. Fourth, the Indians claimed dash us the Emperor of India. So answer is Bahadur Shah. Spelling is SHAH. 5. Under the Queen's proclamation, the policy of dash was put to an end. So answer is territorial annexation. Spelling is TERRITORIAL. Territorial annexation spelling is ANNEXATION. Okay. Next, true false of section D. First question, the revolt of 1857 was the first ever large scale rebellion of the Indian soldiers of the British Army. So this statement is true. Second, the social reforms introduced by the British were particularly welcomed by the Indian people. So This statement is false. Third, the soldiers at Barakpur were the first to refuse the use of greased cartridges. So this statement is true. Fourth, lack of unity was one of the causes of the failure of the revolt. This statement is true. Fifth, most of the Indian rulers had joined the revolt of 1857. This statement is false. Okay. So here all objective questions is in this chapter exercise is completed. We will proceed. Section E, answer the following questions in 10 to 20 words. So first question of this section is, what profession did the artisans and craftsmen turn to when they could no longer make profit from their products? So this question answer is in your book. In page number 46, economic causes, under in this topic paragraph, here this is answer E1 section E, question number 1. So answer is, Indian peasants, weavers and craftsmen were forced to work according to the desires of the servants of the company, and in return received very little remuneration. Okay. Next question 2. Why did the soldiers not want to use the greased cartridges? So answer is in page number 47, last line of this paragraph. Here, at this time, it was believed that the greases used in the cartridges was made from the fat of cow and pigs. Both Hindu and Muslim soldiers refused to use the greased cartridges as it hurt their religious sentiments. Okay. Next question 3. Who led the revolt against the British in Awadh? So answer is here Begum Hazrat Mahal led the revolt against the British in Awadh. Okay. Next question 4. Name a few leaders who led the various rebellions and revolts around the country. So in E section, question 4, answer is in page number 50, topic weak leadership. In this topic, third line, here is question 4, answer is started. The leaders of the revolt like Emperor Bahadur Shah, Begum Hazrat Mahal, Nana Sahib and Tatya Tope, Rani Lakshmi Bai and others are various rebellion and revolt. Few leaders are who led the various rebellion and revolt around the country. Okay. Next, section F. Answer the following questions in 50 to 70 words. Question 1. Why were the social reforms introduced by the British resented by the Indians? So this question answer is in page number 47. Here Start your answer. Certain laws passed by the company's government, including useful social legislation like the abolition of sati, female infanticide, and encouragement of widow remarriage, were considered as unnecessary interferences by the British in the social customs of Indian society. Okay, your answer is here completed of section F. Question number 1 answer is completed here. Okay, next we will proceed. Next question of this section. Question 2. How far was the doctrine of lapse responsible for the revolt of 1857? So answer is here in पेज नंबर 46. यहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे लिखना. लॉर्ड डलहौजी policy of doctrine of lapse was resented by the ruling class because it curbed their rights of adoption. Annexation of Jhansi, Satara and Nagpur under the doctrine created great resentments. Okay. Next, question 3. Name the areas where support for the revolt was strong and places where the revolt failed to penetrate. Okay, so answer of this question is in page number 48. here answer is यहाँ से start होगा. The revolt covered the entire territory from Delhi to Bihar in the east. In June, revolt occurred in Lucknow, Kanpur and Jhansi. In Kanpur, Nana Sahib became the leader of the rebel, while in Jhansi, Rani Lakshmibai challenged the British. In Bihar, Kunwar Singh undertook the leadership of the rebels, while in Lucknow the rebels organized under the leadership of Begum Hazrat Mahal. And यहाँ से फिर आगे हम ये तो वो जगह है जहाँ पे रिवॉल्ट सक्सेसफुल, मतलब यहाँ पे 2 क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है ना आपके क्वेश्चन में कि जहाँ पे रिवॉल्ट का सपोर्ट हुआ था उस जगह का और स्ट्रांगली सपोर्ट मिला था, और दूसरा जहाँ पे रिवॉल्ट फेल हुआ था. तो यहाँ तक लिखने के बाद पैराग्राफ चेंज करके यहाँ से लिखेंगे. द सोल्जर्स रिवोल्टेड एट सम प्लेसेस इन राजस्थान, ग्वालियर एंड इंदौर, बट दे वर इजीली suppressed. The revolt spread to 1 or 2 places in South India, but the attempts of revolt in places like Ahmedabad, Hyderabad and Sindh were thwarted. ओके, यहाँ पे आंसर आपका कंप्लीट होता है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 4. व्हाट वर द कॉजेज ऑफ डिसकंटेंट amongst the soldiers? So F, question 4 answer is first is पॉलिटिकल केसेस, ये पॉइंट डालेंगे, फिर आंसर लिखेंगे. लॉर्ड डलहौजीज पॉलिसी ऑफ द डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ लैप्स वर रिसेंटेड बाय द रूलिंग क्लास बिकॉज इट curbed their rights of adoption. Annexation of Jhansi, Satara and Nagpur under the doctrine created great resentment. Second, इकोनॉमिक कॉजेज डैश डाल के लिखेंगे. द प्राइमरी मोटिव ऑफ द पॉलिटिकल डोमिनेशन ऑफ इंडिया बाय द ब्रिटिश वॉज इट्स इकोनॉमिक एक्सप्लोरेशन. द ब्रिटिश यूटिलाइज्ड their political power for exploiting the economic resources and wealth of India for the benefit of British. नेक्स्ट सोशल एंड रिलीजियस कॉजेस, डैश डाल के यहाँ भी लिखेंगे। थर्ड पॉइंट सोशल एंड रिलीजियस कॉजेस का, सीरियस कॉजेस ऑफ डिसकंटेंटमेंट among all classes of Indians was that they became apprehensive of the intentions of the British concerning their religion। नेक्स्ट इसके बाद फोर्थ पॉइंट हो जाएगा मिलिट्री कॉजेस। सो इसका होगा आंसर, यहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे। द सिपॉयज इन द कॉलोनियल आर्मी वर अनहैप्पी विथ मेनी रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस इम्पोज्ड बाय द ब्रिटिश। एंड इसी में आगे फिर यहाँ से लिखेंगे, दे वर नॉट assigned any honor or reward after the success in the battle। and आगे sepoys were also paid very low salaries। this was not sufficient to fulfill their daily needs। next fifth point immediate causes, इसको यहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे। in 1856 the British introduced the Enfield rifle in the army and the soldiers were trained to use them। at this time, यहाँ तक लिखने के बाद यहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे। at this time it was believed that the grease used in the cartridges was made from the fat of cows and pigs। both Hindu and Muslim soldiers refused to use the greased cartridges as it hurt their religious sentiments। ओके, सो आपका यहाँ पे सेक्शन एफ का क्वेश्चन 4 का आंसर कंप्लीट होता है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 5, डू यू बिलीव दैट वीक लीडरशिप वाज वन ऑफ द रीजन्स फॉर द फेलियर ऑफ द रिवॉल्ट। सो इसका आंसर आपको पेज नंबर 50 में सबसे ऊपर यहाँ इस पैराग्राफ में है। आंसर यहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे। द लीडरशिप ऑफ द रिवॉल्ट वाज वीक एंड इट वाज नॉट organized under one person or one command। okay, the leaders of the revolt like Emperor Bahadur Shah, Begum Hazrat Mahal, Nana Sahib and Tatya Tope, Rani Lakshmibai and others neither planned nor coordinated with one another as one unit। यहाँ पे आंसर कंप्लीट होता है। नेक्स्ट हम आगे बढ़ेंगे। सेक्शन जी, आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस इन 80 to 100 वर्ड्स। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाई डिड द रिवॉल्ट ऑफ 1857 फेल टू अचीव इट्स एम। सो सेक्शन जी 1 का हम आंसर स्टार्ट करेंगे। स्टार्टिंग में लिखेंगे, द रिवॉल्ट ऑफ 1857 was failure due to the following reasons। So first reason, revolt had a limited scope। the area of the revolt were limited to Delhi, Meerut, Awadh, Bihar, Rohilkhand and their neighboring territories। the entire South India, Punjab and the territory towards it, North and West Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Bharat and Bengal remained aloof from the revolt। Second point, lack of planning। the primary causes of the failure of the revolt were lack of planning and the absence of a central organization। Third point, lack of military skills to match the British forces। So the rebel lacked skilled military strategies and discipline as compared to the British। they fought mostly with swords and spears while the British were using newly introduced rifles। Fourth point, attitude of the rulers। many rulers including those of Patiala, Jind, Gwalior, Hyderabad and the king of Nepal refused to help the rebels and gave armed support to British। Fifth point, limited support। the educated Indians and the upper and middle class did not support the rebels। on the contrary, On the contrary, they supported the British. Fifth point, weak leadership. So the leadership of the revolt was weak and it was not organized under one person or one command. Okay. So here your section G, question 1 answer is completed. Next, question 2. What changes took place after the revolt of 1857? So answer is here, page number 50. Changes after 1857. So the revolt of 1857 resulted in significant changes in the administrative structure and the policies of the government. फिर यहाँ से लिखेंगे these were the changes introduced by the Queen's Proclamation of 1857. First, the British East India Company's rule came to an end. Second, the Board of Control and Court of Directors were abolished. In its place, a Secretary of State for India and the Indian Council were created. Third, the army was thoroughly reorganized and the proportion of British soldiers was increased. Indians were divided into martial and non-martial races, and regiments were raised on the basis of caste and religion, such as Sikh regiment or Jata regiment. Fourth, the policy of territorial annexation was also brought to an end. Fifth, unconditional and general pardon was given to the rebels except those responsible for the murder of British subjects. 6. The British Parliament passed the Government of India Act of 1858. Here your answer is completed. So I hope all solution of this chapter is very helpful to making your notes. Thank you for watching.